NFTs are crashing, and that's a fact, but it doesn't really mean that if you have bought NFTs, you will inevitably lose your investment. It simply means that we have a low daily volume, and since 14th of May 2022 we see really bad days, and it's getting even lower. Yesterday was the lowest we have seen, just above $17.6 million of daily volume. However, not all of the projects are decreasing in price, and a little bit later in the video I will show you which projects are doing pretty good, and part of this video is sponsored by Karma, but more of that later. Hello everyone, it's Pet Alexander. I hope you are doing well, and in today's video I will share with you some NFT market updates, and I will explain what exactly means that NFTs are crashing and if this is actually a great possibility to purchase the favorite NFTs on a better price, just like I bought a few times the dips on Bitcoin that is testing the 20,000 support level, and I have announced that on my Patreon's page. Check it out below in the description. However, it's not a secret that Bitcoin drives the crypto market, but it's not really the case that the Bored Ape Yacht Club or any other collection drives all of the NFT collections in one direction. Some of them are doing pretty good. Now, before I show you the collections that are doing really good in a bear market, I want to share with you some NFT market updates that are quite positive in these bad times. For example, Mastercard partners with 7 NFT platforms, and those are Immutable X, the sports NFT platform Candy Digital, Web3 Sandbox, which is fantastic for me, the marketplaces Mintable, Nifty Gateway, and Spring, and payment solution MoonPay, meaning that people using Mastercard, and nearly everyone nowadays has Visa or Mastercard, will be able to purchase some NFTs. And even if one is not familiar with cryptos and have no idea how to use MetaMask or any other wallet, they can simply buy NFTs using a Mastercard, which is sensational. The NFT market will open to everyone who is not familiar with crypto. More positive news from Nickelodeon that are launching their NFT collection this summer. And kids know about Nickelodeon, they know about toys. If they know NFTs from a young age, it means that the younger generation will be really more familiar with the NFTs. And while we see low OpenSea daily volume, at the same time NFT game Illuvium sells over 72 million in digital land plots, meaning that people are still interested in metaverse and believe that metaverse is a good investment in the long term. And the last thing I want to show you is that even the Bored Ape Yacht Club price chart goes down. Recently we had some amazing sales, and 3 days ago one of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs was sold for over $1.2 million, which is $1 million, right? So the NFTs are still alive. There are people trading and spending millions of dollars for NFTs, and it is just a bear market that we have seen with the crypto so many times, and we all know that after the bear market comes the bullish market. Now, before I show you some more data, I want to say a huge thank you to our sponsor of today's video, Karma. The minting is coming soon, and the project is based on NFT card game. You can download the white paper from the front page and learn more about it. As you know, I really like the projects that are play to earn, and what attracted me to this project is that the focus will be on the user experience and having fun, while earning will only be a pleasant consequence. Because if you are enjoying a game, you are likely to spend more time in the game and earn more rewards. You can find the roadmap on their white paper as well, and I'm looking for phase 1, where will be the sale of the New Mutants collection on the Ethereum network. As well, the team brings some trust by placing their information on the bottom of the website, and you can check out their address and see that they are based in Tallinn, Estonia. What we're about to see is 135,000 common cards, 9,000 rare cards, 16,000 legendary cards, and 15,000 divinity cards. cards. The game features are play to earn, fusion, marketplace, and game mode. Make sure you check out this project because it brings together the dynamics of gaming and the trend of the spot market price. And for me personally, video game sector is the most promising one and potential in the long term for the NFT world. And if you're an NFT holder, you will receive airdrop of C Karma, 50% of the OpenSea royalties, and you will own an entirely handmade NFT where no software has been used for the process of creating 15,000 NFTs. For more information, check out their Discord group and join the 20,000 members they already have. As well, check out their Twitter's page to stay tuned with all the news from the C Karma project. So thank you guys so much, and with that being said, let's go back to the video. Now I want to show you some data for the NFT market and as well a few websites that I keep monitoring daily to check out which are the collections that are doing good in the bear market. Because remember something, if a collection does well in a bear market, it is very likely that it will do perfectly in the next bull run, and simply these are the collections that stand out. Now the flips.finance website is pretty useful because we see the rankings for the most famous NFT collections, and quite often people arrange it by the floor price because this is where we see all the red figures or all the green figures, and we want to see which are on the top or which are on the bottom. Now if you arrange it according to the floor change, you will see some of the very new and not famous collections that did really bad or did really well. Now I would suggest you to arrange the collections just by floor, but pay attention that some of those will have a few sales. For example, the Autoglyphs has this highest floor price, but it had one sale. The Nouns had 3 sales, and then the Bored Ape Club comes with 146 sales for the last 7 days, and it keeps a floor price of 86.47. So if you're arranging it by floor, always pay attention to the number of sales, and I would look at statistics that had below 100 sales. It's not sustainable, okay? The Moonbirds had 222, the Mutant Ape Club had 416, which is a sustainable stats for the last 7 days. As well, I like to arrange the collections by trading volume. Obviously the Bored Ape Club is at the first spot, and you can see that they had just negative of 8.01% lower floor price, but they had 17 new owners. 2 of the great projects that I'm recently tracking is Bucky and the Currency, and the first one had over 1,000 sales and the Currency had 94 sales in the last 7 days with a very positive change in the floor price. The next website from where I'm following the NFT marketplace statistics is DAppRadar, where you can check out the volume, all NFT marketplaces for the last 30 days, and obviously it is negative according to the volume. Negative 76% is huge. Traders negative 13.67 for the last 7 days. We can see negative 51%, traders negative 28.5 for the last 24 hours. It's really not that sustainable statistic, so I usually check out the 7 days and the 30 days. The Dune.com I already showed to you, where we see the OpenSea daily volume that has been really low for the last 1 month. And you might wonder, alright, why I'm showing all of that? It's obviously very negative. The volume is going down, not just on OpenSea, but on the different marketplaces. But guys, following such websites is very useful because you will recognize when things are getting to the positive side. I personally think it will take some time, longer than we all expect, and we should see the Bitcoin going into a new uptrend. But first, we need to see what will happen in the end of July. Are we getting into a recession? And I personally expect to see the crypto market and the NFT market in a bear trend for quite longer. But when things get in the positive side, I want to be one of the first purchasing the NFTs that I always wanted to have but I missed to have in my wallet. So monitoring those websites will give me an idea when things are getting on the bright side, and obviously I'll be recording a video once that happen, but it's just not a bad idea if you keep an eye on all of these websites. I will drop links down in the description for all the websites I have shown in this video, and I'll be super happy to see how you guys feel during the bear market down in the comments. I thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you smash the like button if you have enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching and I wish you a wonderful day. Don't forget that there will be bright days for the NFTs and the crypto. I'm sure of that. You guys take care.